Given a string s and an integer k, return the maximum number of vowel letters in any substring of s with length k. Given a string s and an integer k, return the maximum number of vowel letters in a substring s with length k. Okay, yeah, so it's just it's the same sliding window as before, but we just had to check if it's a vowel when it's coming or going. Um, um, let's see. I might want to filter them beforehand to say, I might want to filter them beforehand to basically just turn it into a bunch of true and falses. Or I could just turn them into a bunch of ones and zeros. Okay, so I'll say define is vowel. They're undercase, they're lowercase. Is vowel, say C for character, right? And we'll say if C in A, E, I, O, U. We don't have to consider Y, even though it's sometimes Y. Actually, we'll just say return. Now we'll just say vowel array equals 1 let's see, how do we do this cleanly? We could say is vowel actually, how about we make this return an integer? Because that way we can just add it up instead of checking if it's true or false. We can just add it. So we'll say if C in that return 1, return 0 if it's not. Equals is vowel C for C in S. Now that we have that, now that we have the vowel array, now we can just do the same thing as before. We'll do a sliding window. We just did it, so we can say for I in range, how about we say initial count, or we say max vowels equals sum of vowel array up to k. And now we'll just say for I in range 1 up to the length of the length of s minus k plus 1. It's finicky. Yeah. We're gonna say vowel let's say vowel count equals that. And then we'll say vowel count minus equals vowel array I minus 1. And then we'll add I plus k minus 1. And then we'll just say max vowels max vowels, vowel count. Then we just return max vowels. Wow. No. Let's see if vowel array is right. Okay, so the vowel array is right. Let's see. I feel like it's going to be something silly. Okay, so okay. We're going to say, so the vowel count starts at 1, and then it'll be 0, but then it'll be 1. Oh, because I didn't make it plus. Simple mistake, and now I'm confident it'll work. I'll just submit it. There we go. Got it. A little bit of space used up, but that's all right. Pretty fast.